Alright, and as you can see here, before they would bring parts down, and there's just several different jobs on one pallet. So when I would give a traveler to one of my guys, they'd have to go over there and go through 40 or 50 pallets to find one component here, one component there, to actually get all their components together for their job. So what I've done with these shelves here is, as they bring the pallets down with the parts, I go through all the pallets, separate the parts, put them into complete jobs. So when my guys go over here to grab their traveler, they can come right here, all their components is together, complete, ready to weld out. And it took 20 or 30 minutes over there for them to find everything. Now it takes 2 minutes to come get their traveler and their parts, and they're back at their table welding.